Question 13, part A, says calculate 7.8 minus 3.1, and then it's all divided by 1.2 plus 6.9. So what we need to do first is to work out what 7.8 take away 3.1 is. And we're going to use a calculator to give us the answer of 4.7. We'd next work out what the answer to 1.2 plus 6.9 is equal to. And that is equal to 8.1 using a calculator. So we've worked out the top there separately from the bottom, and then we're going to divide them. So we've got 7.8 minus 3.1 equals 4.7, all divided by 1.2 plus 6.9. So using a calculator now, we're going to work out 4.7 divided by 8.1. And it doesn't ask us to simplify our answer, it doesn't ask us to round it at all to one decimal place. So what we're going to do is going to write down a significant amount of figures. 0.58024669. So we can write down our full or nearly all our calculated display. It doesn't ask us to round our number at all. Now in part B, it says work out the square root of 2.56 squared minus 1.4 squared. So first thing we're going to do, just separately, we're going to work out 2.56 squared on our calculator, and then we're going to work out 1.4 squared on our calculator. So 2.56 squared is 6.5536. The question is just asking us to calculate, so it's important that we don't round too early, or we don't round at all in this question, but we simply write down our full calculated display. Then 1.4 squared is equal to 1.96. We then need to work out 6.5536, subtract 1.96 using our calculator, which gives us the answer of 4.5936. Now our question is actually to work out the square root of 2.56 squared minus 1.4 squared. So here, once we've worked out the two squares, we need to get the square root of that. So we need to now finally take the square root of 4.5936. And again, we're going to use a calculator for that. And that's going to give us the answer of 2.1432685. Again, we've written our full calculator display down there. We don't need to round at all in this question. So that's how we've got our full marks for that question. There's no rounding involved, just full use of a calculator by working out separate parts on the calculator and writing down all our working.